Service management is about bringing more effectiveness, efficiency, and optimum performance in the operational services of an organization. What is meant by operations? Operations are those daily activities which happen across projects, which happen across the verticals. So basically, service management, IT service management is a horizontal which covers all the verticals of an or all the business units of an organization. So, or any by operation we mean that any activity which is common, which happens daily, which occurs on a regular basis, but it does not create a new product or a service. So operation is something which is done daily. For example, say there is a car manufacturing firm and it has one assembly line. So in that assembly line, the machine does the exact same work day after day, day in and day out. And the result is a same car or the body of the same car. So there is nothing new that the machine is generating or giving it to the customer. So that is an operation. But at the same time, designing new car body is a project. So there is a difference between project and operation. Service management is more of operational aspect of an organization, where operations or services or processes of IT infrastructure is managed and it is made more efficient. Sometimes this is also known as DevOps, the DevOps team of organizations, basically who do all the IT infrastructure management work. Some of the reasons which make ITIL a successful framework for ITSM. It's non-prescriptive. It does not specify anything in certainty that has to be implemented to achieve a certain level of effectiveness. It does not say that a project manager or someone or the process manager to use a particular tool or a particular process to achieve a goal. So it is non-prescriptive, and it's a public domain framework. It's not private. So there is no licensing. There is no licensing concept here. Continuously evolving. So it started from version 1 and it has evolved up to version 3. Technology agnostic, irrespective of the technology that is being used by the IT team of our organization, ITIL framework can be used to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the IT services. Scalable or service, or what they call these days SOA, service oriented architecture. So scalable is nothing but having, leaving enough scope for improvement or adjustment in the future depending upon different customer or user change requests. That is scalable. Some of the well-known public frameworks are like ISO, CMMI. CMMI capability maturity CMMI is Capability Maturity Model Integration, is a process improvement training and appraisal program. It was invented in Carnegie Mellon University. So basically, most of the service company, if you see, they will be at certain level of CMMI. So CMMI level 2, 3, 4, 5. A CMMI level 5 company adheres to the process in better and more stricter way than a CMMI level 3 company. What is a service? Service is nothing but a value addition by someone to the user of a system, which makes the work of the user easier. Now this user can be an internal user or an external user. That's why we call it a customer, an external user or a customer, user or customer. But the service does not include the ownership of the infrastructure and any risk associated with it. So it is just the service, intangible aspect of any IT infrastructure service, or what the system is supposed to do. there's a term access management, which is nothing but a process responsible for allowing users to make use of IT services, data, or other assets. Access management helps to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of assets by ensuring that only authorized users are able to access or modify them. Access management. Next term is AST, agreed service time. It stands for the number of service hours commonly used in formal calculations of availability, like how long the system was down, and it resulted in certain amount of business loss. So that is known or termed as AST, agreed service time.
Hello.
Yes.
Is the agreed AST agreed service time in the SLA are one and the same?
No, SLA is something which happens at a project level or at a service level.